Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the rating of circuit breaker. So rating of circuit breaker has been defined into two ways. The first one is breaking capacity and second one is making capacity. So breaking capacity is also divided into two parts, that is symmetrical breaking capacity, and asymmetrical breaking capacity. I'm coming to this point one by one. So what is breaking capacity basically? This rating of circuit breaker has two rating, breaking capacity and making capacity. So what is breaking capacity? Breaking capacity is the maximum value of it is the maximum value of circuit breaker, maximum amount of power it can transfer. Means, let us assume we have one circuit breaker and it has been written the breaking capacity is 2000 ampere, the 2000 MVA basically. So if the current or power flow in this circuit breaker will be less than 2000 MVA, that would be good. Otherwise, if it will be greater than 2000 MVA, this circuit breaker will get damaged. So it is a maximum amount of power it can be transferred to the circuit breaker. So this is the breaking capacity. Since we are calculating it during the breaking of circuit breaker, so it is called as breaking capacity. So breaking capacity is also two types: symmetrical breaking capacity and asymmetrical breaking capacity. So you would have studied in fault analysis there is two kind of current. If we are talking about I asymmetrical current is equal to I symmetrical current plus I DC square this, and since this was asymmetrical current and now one was asymmetrical current, that is was the sinusoidal AC value, and this was the asymmetrical current, that is included the DC value. So this point the American standard had a saying that the circuit breaker open and it got break during the asymmetrical phenomena, means during first two cycle, and Indian says that it will take some time and after the transient will remove, then when the symmetrical breaking current during the symmetrical current flow after the short circuit current, then the circuit breaker will get damaged. So there is a two saying, so we are Indian and we will follow the symmetrical breaking capacity. So whenever the in gate examination that will be asked symmetrical breaking capacity. If the symmetrical breaking capacity has been asked, so you have to answer symmetrical breaking capacity, and if asymmetrical breaking capacity has been asked, so you have to answer asymmetrical breaking capacity. So if you want to write, then symmetrical will be root 3 into EF into ISC, symmetric. And here asymmetrical breaking capacity will be root 3 into EF into IE, asymmetrical break. Since this is the maximum current, so I am writing here break. This is the breaking capacity, means this is happening during the opening of circuit breaker. This is breaking of circuit breaker. And now the same thing, the maximum amount of power that can be transferred during the making of circuit breaker. So making capacity is basically 2.55 times of breaking capacity. And we only need to know about the formula. We do not need to know how it come on the gate basis. So do not need to worry. 2.5. When we will break this, it will be coming to a 1.803 into root of 2 of breaking capacity. Means this basically in actual talking, then this root 2 is making capacity, we represent is maximum value, and we represent breaking capacity in RMS value. So the maximum value means root 2 times present the maximum value of RMS breaking capacity, and 1.80 times it is 1.803 times greater than the breaking capacity. So simply, if you are representing this in maximum value, so simply any question will be asked, you have to multiply by 2.55.